Thank you for joining in, and I'm back with another Amazon video. And this time up, I'm going to share some new art supplies that I've been using and some favorites. So I just did a full review of these colored pencils from Woomer. So if you want to see the full video, you can go check that out. And right here, I'm just going to do a quick little some mini information here because we have a couple things to get through. So these are from Woomer. They're regular colored pencils. There's 72 different colors in this set, so there's lots to choose from. And the quality is really nice. There was no breakage whatsoever on these. And there is some light fast information for anyone who wants to know about that. And see, the color names are on each pencil for easy organization. I like to use mine on top of my watercolors just for a little added detail there. Quick little sample. And jumping right into some watercolor supplies. This is a new one from Meeden. I was actually really shocked at this one. I do love Meeden's art supplies, but this little case, this is their new watercolor travel pocket set is the name of this one. It has the little soft white case there, and then it comes with this watercolor brush. This one is a size 10. So you just push it in there and it will stay there. And then when you're done, you can pop it out. And then there's a little hole on the bottom as well so that you can get airflow in there. And just like a normal binder, you would push those tabs and then you can change the paper. Over on the side here with that little tab, that's where you can pull out your actual watercolors. I thought that was a really cool design. It's something a bit different here. And at first I didn't notice, but after you take off your little plastic protector here, these little pieces, they actually do pop out. So if you wanted to just put them on your desk or wherever you are, you can do that if you'd like to. So you have your actual watercolor palette there with your colors, and then this little tiny mixing tray. You can push them back in there, and right there, if you can see those two little circles, there's actually magnets on this. So when you set it back down, everything will stay in place, which again, I thought was a really nice feature. And this is the box that it came in. I just wanted to show that it does come with extra paper, which is really nice. So you have some extra paper. I kept mine here in the box because you don't want to ram too many in your actual little notebook there because you won't be able to close it. Moving right along here, I have some new, these are new watercolor crayons. So many art supplies. These are from iCrayon, and I have the regular set. This one is the European one. So these colors are a little bit more, I would say, earth tones as opposed to the other ones. And you do have a little watercolor brush here. Just standard. You just, if you've never used one before, you just unscrew off the top. You put your little bit of water in there and screw it back together. Just a regular basic little sharpener here that's included. So you have lots of yellows and like a yellow ochres, raw sienna, those types of tones. Some orange and red. And here's a quick little, the sunflowers I used with the watercolor crayons here. Overall, they do blend really nice. I used a few different, the yellows and the greens. I really like the olive green, that golden yellow. Like I mentioned in my other video when I was doing the review, they remind me of colors that Van Gogh would use. So if you're a big fan of his work, this is a good color palette to have. And just show a little close-up here for anybody who's curious. They do have the names and, you know, just your basic information there. All on each individual crayon. Also, I just wanted to show real quick if anybody was interested. If you're somebody who would rather the other set, this is the classics it was called. So some of the brighter colors, the pinks, are in this particular set. But yeah, both are really nice. Just depends on what works for you. And moving right along, we are in the land of markers. I think everybody has seen so many different versions and brands of markers. This is my newest addition to my collection from Meeden. So I have the small one. I personally just didn't want the large ones. They have a variety of sizes. So these are the dual tip ones. So you have a color on each side. So there's 24 colors in my set, or 24 markers in my set, but you actually get the 48 colors because there's, you know, 2 different in one. So it helps you to save on space too if you're somebody who doesn't have a lot of room. And I will give a quick demonstration here on using the white paper and the black so you can see how vibrant they are and opaque. And if you're somebody who's looking for sketchbooks, this one is really good by Meeden. I've been using it for the oil pastels, but you can certainly use it for the paint markers as well, or if you're someone who just likes to doodle and draw. And there's, I think he came in 3 different sizes. I have the smallest size here. I think that was the 6x8, but they do have 9x12, a few different sizes there. And then again, if you're somebody who even maybe you do like a mixed media, these will work for that too. If you're adding your little fine liners on top or paint pens on top of. This journal does have the perforated edges too, so that's nice. If you wanted to rip out your sheets and get that nice clean edge, you can do that. There is no little wraparound band on this one. If anybody was curious, the back is just plain, it's white, the same as the front. If you're someone who's looking for more art supplies, you can feel free to check out my other Amazon videos. I do lots of watercolor, and I try to include a little bit of everything because there's lots of different people out there. But yeah, I have links down below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.